Tired of your phone dying midday? Meet the Anker PowerCore 20,000 milliamp hours, your ultimate solution to staying charged for days on end. This isn't just any power bank. It's a game changer for anyone who relies on their devices on the go. With a colossal 20,000 milliamp hours capacity, this powerhouse can charge your iPhone 6 times over, meaning you can leave your wall charger behind. Imagine travel, work, or emergencies without ever worrying about a dead battery. That's the freedom the PowerCore offers. What makes it truly special is Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology, intelligently identifying your device to deliver the fastest, safest charge possible. Plus, with dual USB ports, you can effortlessly charge two devices simultaneously, perfect for you and a friend, or your phone and tablet. It's not just big power, it's smart, versatile power from a brand known for incredible reliability, an absolute must-have electronic gadget. If you're searching for the best portable charger or travel essential for 2025, look no further than this Anker PowerCore. Click the link in the description below to check out the Anker PowerCore 20,000 milliamp hours on Amazon and see current pricing. Seriously, for peace of mind and endless power wherever you are, this is the smart investment you need to make.